Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. So, it's Monday. Who's ready to hunt and find some unicorn? First stock that we watching, FRZA, Forza, jumping almost 150%. We might have unicorn, but this is just pre-market action. We have to wait and see if we're gonna have a continuation. Yes, so this one, yeah, we got some news, I think. So we have to watch for this stock. We have to watch for this one as well. We got few stocks to watch. On IMGN, one of the stock that was on our order list, pumped finally, but now it's have a pullback. WLDS is still watching for this one. TRKA, MMV bouncing. What a crazy bounce. We discussed this in our YouTube video yesterday. We said this is the bottom that we should reverse from. And we got a great reversal from the bottom. Let me just check. Almost 50%. So yeah, MMV was one of the stock that we hunt last Friday, if you remember, guys. So looking good. GameStop is still looking good. Amazon still holding. Watch out, Amazon is still holding this box, which is our support. Would be good if we have at least 4% for Amazon for today. Would be pretty nice if we see that. The 130 would be a good day for Amazon. Welcome, welcome, Kingston, number one on our list here. He's the number one in the live section. Then we got Martin Abolo, Kaylay, good morning, Xander, Jam, Amjad, Randy. Welcome everybody. Amjad said TTOO is pumping. Yeah, it's pumping because we found some support around the 0.089 or around the 9 cent. We got resistance coming up around the 14, so we have to watch. Yeah, still bumping. Nice movement in the pre-market. We had some crazy action for Microsoft, huge dip and pump for Tesla. See here, so we got some reaction for the market. I don't know why we had the huge dip when a pre-market opened, but the good thing is the SPY is in green and getting near the 430. Let's go back to our list for today and let us check our stock screener. Yeah, FRZA is number one. And yes, top volume gainer is Boyle. But technically wise, not good for today. So we have to watch for FRZN or FRZA, then TMPR. Yeah, this one is on our list as well. We got some support and resistance to break. Then we got IHT, Institutions Hospitality Trust Shares. And this one technically not good so far, even though we have 30% jump, but it's risky business. This one have a reverse split, 1 to 25. Stay away from it. It's dicey after that. You just check. We got some hidden treasure down there. Nope, not yet. But yeah, we got a good list for today. Yeah, good list, not bad. So let me just put something. FRZA. How everybody doing? Hopefully everybody enjoyed the weekend. Yeah, the weather is getting hot. The weather is getting hot. Even the market is getting hot. Yeah, AI still holding, guys. AI is still holding our support. We need time. We got a huge pump for AI, so now is kind of accumulation mode. Xella looking interesting because we getting near the resistance. So Vi is still in bullish momentum, a really strong trend. PACW pumping 6%, almost 6. Really interesting, guys. Look, we got some good action for PACW. Microvision. Let me just put PACW down there with the stocks that might pump for today. We got some questions from Pharaoh Farmer. He said Boyle should be the one on our watch list. Still not ready yet. The other question from our hunter is will XOM break the double top? So for XOM, the 120 or 119.69 is the resistance. We are a bit far. If we want to break this level, we need to hold that trend that we're still forming. In the big picture, if we want to swing trade, this one is the 66. So any price over the 66 is good for a swing trade. And we see that fundamental wise, we have a great earnings for great earnings. So this one is a swing trade, guys. So we could actually swing trade this one for a break from the 120. The time being, if we want to go toward the 119, is going over this AMA or around the 111. So this will give us the first signal that this stock will actually jump to all-time high. Otherwise, we're gonna have a continuation down, a pullback. And this will be a good entry point actually. If we had a pullback, is mean we could actually enter around the 84 and the 66 before a reversal. John, what's BBYQ story? Yeah, this is a long story for BBYQ. It's not even a story, it's a manga with a lot of chapters. BBYQ is like One Piece. We have more than 1,000 episodes. Look at this. What a huge saga, man. Boom. Still trending down. Now we had a bit of fueling for BBYQ because after the delisting we got a great run, you know. So this time we have to refuel. You see, we almost did 800%. So this is normal that the price did nothing last week. But we expect some volatility. If we're still holding this AMA, we got nice action coming up for BBYQ to squeeze. That's why it's still on our list. GFAI looking really interesting for today. You know what I'm gonna do? I put GFAI down because looking interesting. BBYQ, of course. Palantir. Yeah, we got a good list to watch for this week. Amazon still pulling back. We have mixed signals for Amazon. We had a nice try for the 125. See with me, guys, when the market opened, I think in pre-market, yeah, not in the pre-market, but after 2 hours, yeah, or 3 hours from the pre-market open, we got a huge pump and test for the 125, which is the confirmation for Amazon to go toward the 130. So we got resistance to break here and support to hold for Amazon to have a continuation. I would put alert for Amazon around the 125.16. Yeah, this is where we're gonna have a breakout. Yeah, UCR, we might have a continuation, guys. Still watching it. Coding Phase, good morning, brother. UCER, we got many question for you from you guys. UCER. So we got UCAR and MMV, both of them reversed. But MMV looking better because we already reversed 50%. Then now we have a pullback. For UCAR, we have a support here around the $8. Yeah, $8.93 to hold. So this is our support to watch. Because if we broke it, game not over, but we have kind of we got some accumulation to do and some resting to do. If we broke the $8.90 and we have 5-minute candle close here, this means going toward the 7 for today. So we need to hold the $8.90. Hello, Kaya. GameStop. Yeah, we're still in green for GameStop, getting near a squeeze area, the 27.44. Even today, we're still holding over this AMA, so something about to give. We'll watch GameStop. AMC, I can't say the same for AMC. GameStop looking better. As we said, there's 2 days now for the earnings. I think on Wednesday, we got earnings for GameStop. So we expect volatility for GameStop before that. And I think in earnings is after hours. So when the market closed on Wednesday, we got our earnings for GameStop. For AI, already had their earnings, and after the earnings, we have a drop. So watch out. Sometimes we have even good earnings, but we have a drop, like what happened here for AI. Because not just the earning and revenue, but we have debt, we have growth projection, we have many things inside the balance sheet dictate where the price will go after the earnings. Anyway, so GameStop, we might have good earnings like happened before, and we had the jump almost 70% after the great earnings, 220% suppress. Imagine if we have 500%. This will be crazy. TRK, I'm still watching a squeeze after the reverse split that we had. 1st of June, we got reverse split for TRKA. Anyway, for the time being, we have to watch those stocks, FRZA, because it's accumulating inside here. We might have action because now it's 140. We might have 20% market open. Yeah, 13%, and the other level 40%. So yeah, we might have at least 180 for today if we have the current support. We have two support actually, one over our MA and one over the 283. Good morning, John. Good morning. Yeah, here is good afternoon. In America, it's good morning. TTOO, we might have a continuation. Okay, let me just check TMBR. Yes, we might have something for TMBR. Hull Technology. Yes, 92. ATM machine. Yeah, it might be. Might be ATM machine for today. Yeah, huge volatility for today, 5 million. Last Friday is just in the 12K, so something changed fundamentally. So they have the first quarter for this 2023, the first Q1. Even though they have a Q1 loss, the price jump because they got some kind of drugs. Yeah, you see here we have bad earnings, but you see sometimes we had bad earnings, but we got some growth going on in the balance sheet. So this pharmaceutical company have some drugs in phase 3. That's why they're jumping, because it's pharmaceutical company. And as well, we don't care about the earning that much because they're still in deficit. They don't make money. So even if the earnings are red, it's not relative. So we have to be extremely careful here. DXF. This one I have mixed feeling. I will just be, yeah, this one went down drastically, so yeah, got shorted. This one got shorted. got shorted big time. Let me just, yeah, this one got shorted. IMGN getting down. WLDS looking good. I will put it down. PACW looking good. GFAI, UCAR. Yeah, we have to focus on few stocks because the other one is kind of not ready to jump for today at least. Guys, we got 8 minutes left for the opening bell. Watch out. Yes, PACW Edison is moving. Yes. Lab Design, good evening, brother. Okay. We got almost 5 minutes. Almost 5 minutes on the opening bell. So guys, plus the like button on the way in. Don't forget, we got almost over 100 people watching, just 45 likes. Come on, let's even this out. Let's make it at least yeah, 70 likes. Yeah, we got almost 8 minutes or 7 minutes before the opening bell. And remember guys, our live streaming is a bit delayed for today or every day because on YouTube just 10 seconds, so just be extremely careful. And remember that day trading is risky, and of course do your due diligence. And we watching some few stocks and our watch list for today on the open, which is FRZA and TMBR. So TMBR is pharmaceutical company. FRZ is in consumer durables. Both of them is jumping almost 100%. One over the 100%, one just below the 100. And WLDS, one of the top gainer before last week, is crawling up. PACW crawling up 7%. So we got almost four stocks to watch. Yeah, big seller for Amazon here. We have a huge wick. The seller will have to cover if Amazon broke the 125. Yeah, short have to cover there. 125 guys for Amazon for today to have ignition once again. And this is swing trade, so it's mean it will take time. So don't compare this one to other stocks like pharmaceutical company that jump in few seconds over like 10% or even 30%. So Amazon, if we really good day, we jump like 4%, 3%. So this low risk and low profit or low rewards. You can have both, you know, it's kind of rare to have both high reward and low risk, or have the opposite, low risk and high reward. You know, you can have the both sides in your favor. Yeah, SoFi looking good. Yeah, SoFi looking pretty nice, even fundamentally. Nvidia is still holding over the 368. Last week we have a test for the 404. We got some stocks that still want to pump, like AMD. We have a bit of pullback, but in big picture it's still in bullish trend. Okay, Amazon gave up. We should have held over the 123.95. Someone added now before the market open, but I'm still watching for this box because we might fill it for today before we reversed. Whoa, Amazon getting hammered. Amazon getting hammered. Yeah, getting hammered right now. We have unusual selling pressure for Amazon. Really unusual. Okay, we have 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left for the open. Let's hit the like button before the open. Come on, guys, let's hit the like button before the open. Let's make the likes almost 70. And remember that live streaming is a bit delayed, 10 seconds to be exact. Let's hunt for the markets. We always do our live streaming around 3 p.m. before the market open. So let's get right to it. We're watching FRZA. It has a bit of pullback right now. We have to hold over the $2.83. Let's go, guys. The market is about to open. Let's see a bounce right now and holding this EMA to have a reversal. I'm watching closely TMBR as well. We need to hold the $2.48. We have few seconds, guys. Now the market is open. Let's see what's gonna happen. FRZA is bouncing. Okay. This is the resistance that we should break around the $3.13. TMBR, not good. We have a break for the $2.48. We might have a pullback now around the $2 and the $1.72. So it's risky here. I think we are halted. FRZA looking good. WLDS okay. PACW pulled back. Let me just check Amazon. Yeah, Amazon is pulling back as well inside this box. We need to hold over the 122 to have a reversal. Tesla's pumping, guys. Tesla is pumping. We got some news, I think, for Tesla. Yeah, Tesla looking good. Yeah, Tesla looking good, guys. Already initiate swing trade for Tesla from last week. Around the 213. Okay, let me just check the other stocks that we have to watch. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback now for the market. Many stocks is pulling back. Let me just check. BKKT, no, is not moving. Lucid's not moving. Let me just go back. FRZA is still holding. Let me just watch this one closely because it's still holding. If we're still holding, is good. Otherwise, we have a pullback until the $2.38. So we need to hold here to break. Really interesting what's gonna happen here around the $2.83. TMBR, hold it down. WLDS is pumping, guys, 10%. Okay, WLDS. WLDS. We might have action for this one for today. Let me just tune in on this one. You see what's gonna happen here. We have the resistance around the $2.29. Support is around the $1.81. This one is down. Okay, FRZA is about to do something. Watch out, guys. FRZA is about to do something. Wait a second. Let's see a breakout here. We held perfectly over the $2.83. We have pullback now. Pullback, okay. Someone's still selling for FRZA. Okay, pullback. Let me just check. We might have a break now. It's really risky here. $3.13. Okay, let me just check WLDS. Yeah, we're getting near a breakout zone for WLDS as well. Yeah, around the $2.33. And this one still didn't break yet the $3.13. Let me just put it here. Or $3.14. Yeah, $3.15. So we have just two stocks to watch. Forza. Forza, Forza, Forza. What's gonna be? We have mini rejection here. Huge seller, guys. Huge seller here. So watch out. Watch out for Forza. The short seller have to cover when we broke this resistance over the $3. This is it for Forza. Patience, guys, patience. It's pulling back. Let me just check this one. CJET. It's pulling back as well. Not good. Everything's pulling back. We have to watch, guys. We have to watch closely for this one. No distraction. Forza still looking good. WLDS still looking good. This one halted down. Okay, let me watch this one closely, guys, because still holding over our MA. We have a great bounce here. If we're still holding, we're gonna break the $3.15, go to toward the $3.50, and we might do at least 10%. 10% for this one. We could make a trade of 10%. Yeah, Forza, come on. What's gonna be? Let's be ready to buy this one. I will be ready on my order. Okay. Huge buyer. Getting near. Still. Yeah, still seller. Let us just drink a bit of holy water before we initiate the trade. Okay, are we ready now? Whoa, huge seller around the $3.11. Huge seller. He's not joking here. Almost 11,000. 11,000 shares. Okay, it's gone. Oh man, we might have the squeeze here. Come on, we need to break. Okay, another try. Man, this one is still struggling because we already did the huge jump 144. WLDS going down. UCAR not good, guys. Pumped from the bottom. I don't like it anymore. TRK okay, but not now. GameStop, guys. GameStop. Oh man, GameStop looking good. There is some action. There's some action for GameStop. There's some action I like for GameStop. We might have a good action from GameStop. Okay, let's see GameStop, guys. We have some action for GameStop. We might have at least the 26. Yeah, we got some action for GameStop. We need to not go below the 24.50. Yeah, 24.50 should be our support. Anyway, let me just go to Forza because the price is about to squeeze, but it's not ready yet. WLDS pull back. This one hold it down. IMGN, MMV. Wait a second, let me just check MMV. Still holding this level. Amazon is pulling back. It's pulling back big time. Yes, Amazon 125 should be a squeeze zone. Palantir. Wow, Palantir is about to break the 15.15. Yeah, Palantir looking good as well. See what's happened for Amazon. We have a pullback from the box. 125 should be the breakout zone for today. This one didn't want to jump. Yeah, we don't have a squeeze, guys, for this one. We might have a pullback now. We had the try to break the $3.11, but we saw a huge seller around the $3.11. Huge position, almost 11,000 shares. So the price pulled back. If we broke this AMA, we're gonna have a flush. So that's why we didn't initiate the trade yet. That's why we didn't buy, and we're still waiting because we might have a pullback for this one. Patience, guys, is a key. We need the signal. The idea is why you buy here if you could actually buy it there, the cheaper price. It's like going like buying stuff before Black Friday, you know, by one day. So you just wait, you know, for the next day until Black Friday. Unless you don't care about the money, of course, or you have billions. You buy whatever time you want if you don't want to save money. Anyway, So FRZA, we wait for another discount because the price is about to break. GameStop is still pumping. Yeah, Palantir, CVNA, we have some kind of mixed signal for the market. Still, we don't have a continuation. We have some pump and dump at the same time. Top is kind of reverse from the bottom, guys, $7. For SoFi, we got kind of breakout. That's why we have 7% jump. But watch out, guys. SoFi is about to test the $8.26, which is profit taken and resistant. Here, there's a resistant. We might have a rejection. And SoFi doing good because we got great earnings back in April, and we have a reversal. So yeah, SoFi looking good fundamentally and technically. EVIX, I think is game over for this one. Yeah, I think it's game over. Game over, my brother. SoFi, IMG, yeah, SoFi doing good. And this one I think is not looking good. I will take it from the list. I will keep SoFi because looking juicy. SoFi looking juicy, man. Let me just open a trade for SoFi. Small position. Let me just open small position. Let me just check the chart once again. Yeah, SoFi 6%. Yeah, we might do a small trade here and close it pretty fast. Let's check. Okay, let's do small percentage on this one. So SoFi looking good. PACW pulling back. Yeah, getting near the resistance, the 9. Let's see if we hold over this AMA, the $7.46. TMBR, hold it down still. Okay, guys, watch out for a huge pullback for this one, at least here around the $2.10. So we might have a pullback after the unhalting here. So this reversal zone should be tested after the unhalting between the $10.10 and $1.70. Here we should have a reversal. If you want to buy, this is the nice place to buy. Otherwise, I would wait. WLDS, oh man, we have a huge wick. Oh man, this one's still holding. Look, what a crazy hold, guys. Still hugging our AMA. I'm still not buying this one because we might have a flush below the $2.80. It's risky here. And at the same time, it's really good entry because we are near the stop loss. You know, we could actually enter with small position. If we exit it, we exit with just 3% loss. If we entered, we get 22% profit. So yeah, now is good entry, but I feel there's some weakness because I don't trust the seller that entered around the $3.11. I think he's still adding. We'll see. Let me just go. WLDS, not good. Yeah, Forza. Let me just check. We might have a bounce here because, yeah. Let me just check if we just open small position. Okay, we could actually open a small position. If the price drop below this, I will close it with small loss. So far, we are already 1% up on this rate. We'll see if we have a continuation. Tesla, we're still holding it because the swing trade almost 4%. And this one is still watching. If we have a drop, I'm gonna close it. Wow, SoFi is still pumping. GameStop. What's going on with GameStop? Amazon, yeah, Amazon guys, there's a huge seller still not moving after this huge pump. The $1.25, this would be a trigger for a pump toward the 130. So this is an entry point for people still didn't buy Amazon. We'll see. Let me just go to GameStop. Yeah, GameStop is still looking good for a continuation. FRZA, no, it's not good, guys. It's not good at all. We have kind of first break for FRZA. Yes, let me just close it with breaking even because it's kind of weakness here. Yeah, we kind of just down 2% in small position, so I don't trust it. Let me just check it again. Yeah, let me just break even here. Close it with breaking even because I see a bit of weakness. So close it with breaking even, then watch for buying back again next when we have a huge drop around $2.30 and the $2.13. Here is really risky, guys, really risky because we might have a flush. That's the idea. Is if you enter near the support, there's a risk that you get out early if the price broke the support, of course. However, the stop loss would be really small. Like you see here, we just broke even for this rate because the price went below the support, then spiked up, and we saw a bit of weakness. That's why we exited. And yeah. And the other way is not buying around the support, but around the breakout. But the risk buying around the breakout is we might have a fake out and the price drop. So either way, there's always a risk, you know. But every strategy is dependent on your personality. Anyway, so now we're waiting for another drop for this stock for entry and reversal zone. So first one should be around $2.50, the second one $2.15. So we have two levels to reverse for this stock. Otherwise, game over, okay? So here and there. Then we have a reversal. Now is a weakness, guys. Here is a weakness. That's why we exited. Let me just check the 5 minute. Yeah, really weakness, guys. Now it's time to short, actually. For FRZA, time to short. The idea is deciding early when to get out. That's the idea. If you wait enough, you might get caught up with the huge loss, and it will be hard to exit, you know. That's the trick, and this is why a lot of new traders paralyzed. They have a paralyzed situation. They can exit. Okay, GameStop still pumping. Okay, GameStop is doing something, guys. GameStop is doing something. I think the squeeze will start soon. Let me just put GameStop down because it's about to do something, guys. It's about to go toward the 27. We might have the squeeze before the earnings. Yeah, we might have a pump of 7% more. We'll see. We'll see if we have this reaction. It would be really good. Let's check FRZA. Pull back, guys. Pull back big time. Wow, huge pullback. CJET is risky play. I will never trade this one. Even though it's pumping almost 100%. And if we broke this level, we might have a squeeze, the $7.77. But still, I don't like this the chart. Still, I think it's new IPO. Yeah, it's a new IPO from the last month. This one is offering, this one nope. So yeah, we don't have many stocks to watch other than FRZA and maybe CJET if we broke the $7.77. Tesla looking good, guys. It's still looking good. SoFi, yeah, we have pullback. Palantir, Apple. Okay, this one, no. Okay, so we don't have a lot of stock to watch. This is good and bad at the same time, you know, because we have to be patient until we see an opportunity to enter. Pull back, FRZA, pulling back hard, man. As we said, it's time to short once we broke this AMA. Time to short. Now I'm waiting for this reversal, $2.50, and then the $2.15. Two levels. That's it. Otherwise, flush. So we have two entry points for FRZA. And GameStop is preparing for a kick. We have a bit of accumulation here, and the stock is ready to kick once again. So we watching for the 26, 27. Yeah, 27, 27.44 is the squeeze. And the price was really accumulating so much time here. We have a kick here, then price pull back, a kick here, then the price will pull back, then a pump. So GameStop looking juicy. Juan, we always read a comment after the first half of the open market because we can actually trade and read the comment at the same time. It's a bit hard. We lose focus. WLDS. I'm still watching this one, the $2.33. FRZA, still pulling back. Yeah, I'm still watching, guys. This will be a great bounce if we went until here. The 2.20, 15 would be a good reversal. Still watching. GameStop is pulling back as well. Okay, this is normal as long as we hold here. Yeah. 24.82. This is our support. Wow, TMBR is still halted. GFAI is started to pump from the bottom. As we said before, the $6.80 is the squeeze for this stock. Let's see a pump over this level for today. Someone said CJET to the moon. Oh man, is about to pump. Yes, is about to pump from the resistance. Right now we have a bit of test here and a wick. CJET, we might have a moon here landing. Top is pumping, guys. Top is pumping from the bottom. The $7 is the bottom price, and now it's pumping from the bottom. Let me just check. We have, yes, great reversal again from the 7. Great reversal from the $7 for top. So top is 17%. Let me just check if we have a resistance coming up. Yeah, maybe we got resistance coming up really near. around $8.87. Yeah, we might have a bit of pullback here. It's kind of risky play here. Yeah, below the $9. If we got rejected, this means top will not have a squeeze. It means this is a fake out and the price will pull back. So the $9 should be an ignition. Forza is getting near our support, first support, the $2.50. So we got top with CJET. We got this one. It's preparing. Wow, GameStop is pulling back. Okay, need time. GameStop need time. Even SoFi. So this is normal, guys. Those pullback is normal as long as we hold the support for them. Otherwise, is not good. Let me just check. For this one is $7.11. And for GameStop, yeah, is the 24.80. So now it's pulling back. We need to have a reversal and then continue to go higher. Otherwise, if we broke here, not good. We might have a break for this ascending channel. But this ascending channel has been respected, man, since the 2nd of May, almost 1 month. So this would be crazy if we broke it now, before the earnings. Okay. Everything needs time. Look at this. Look. Forza still continue to go down. Now we should have our reversal, guys. $2.50. It's kind of a reversal zone here. Yeah, reversal zone. We already did almost 10% down. CJAT, yeah, have a struggle to break the $7.80. Wow, top 27%. Wow, top is doing all right. Top doing all right. It's kind of squeezing, man. Top is kind of squeezing now. Okay, pull back around the $9.24 instead of 9. Okay, pull back time then. Anyway, so for top we have clear support around the 7. Now the resistance pullback is around the $9.24. We might have a good entry now. Yeah, a good entry now on this pullback. Let's see another pullback toward $7.88 would be a really good entry. Wow, we have a test for our support for FRZA. Yeah, top is pulling back, guys, pulling back around the $9.24. So the second entry, if we hold, is here, guys. Second entry is over the $7.88. Should be a good entry, really good entry. Yeah, here. So now is a reversal zone. We should have a reversal, then breaking the $9.24. This would be a trigger to go higher for top. We might have a good action for top for today. Let me just update the level of profit. We got the 1190, then the 15, then the 18. So watch out for the $7.88. We might test it right now. We need to hold. Yeah, we have a huge pullback now. Pullback time for top. And the FRZA start to reverse. GameStop reversal. SoFi reverse as well, but now there's another selling pressure. Yeah, good reversal for FRZA, the $2.54. Yeah, Luis, you should wait. Don't buy when we see a huge pump like this. Wait for a pullback. Like for FRZA, it was good that we didn't buy here. And we said the pullback should be around the $2.50. And see what happened. We hit the $2.54 and now reversal. So FRZA, good reversal from the bottom. CJET, as we said, is not good to enter here because we have this resistance. Huge seller entered here. That's why we're accumulating. We might have a pullback now for this stock. We might have a pullback now. Yes. This one should have a pullback. Anyway, so for this one, if we gonna have a unicorn, we need to hold over the $5.90 or $4.59. Let me just check how much we can risk. Yeah, we can risk 25%. Yeah, it's too much. However, if we pumped, we might have the $10. Yeah, this one jumped from here 50. Let me just have another support around the $6.80. So we have two supports. Yeah, top is started to reverse, guys. $7.88 as we said. Okay, TMPR, guys, got unhalted as we said. This is the box of reversal. So we entered and we have a huge buying pressure. So this is good, but I'm not buying this one still. It's kind of risky play. Tesla still pumping. Palantir, we have a breakout, kind of. Yeah, kind of breakout from this resistance. Wait a second, I think it's here. Okay, finally we have a huge pullback. CJET. Okay, we have a bit of accumulation here. That's why we didn't enter. Now we might have a flush. Watch out. If we broke the $6.80, we might have a flush until the $5.49. See here? This should be our support. FRZA still holding our support. Top, yes, it's still not good because we still didn't test the $7.88. We might test it now. Watch out, watch out. We got just two levels, $9.30, $7.88. Break any levels will give us the direction. Great, we have a test here. AI is going. Whoa, AI is going. Yes, AI is kind of going now. Wow, look at this. Yeah, AI is going. Let me just try to open position for AI because looking kind of start to reverse. Yeah, look at this, man. Look at this. We have a great reaction for AI. It's still holding our trend. And last Friday we bought it on power hour. We closed it before the market close. And now bouncing again and ready to test the 36. If we broke the 36 today, we might have our squeeze toward the 42 and the 46. As long as we hold this current bottom, okay? This current bottom should be our exit strategy over the 29 for AI. So UCR kind of still consolidating sideways. GFAI. So AI, I'll put it down with GameStop and the other stocks. This one is pulling back once again. It's pulling back once again. Okay, so SoFi looking good. GameStop not that good. GameStop, we kind of have a weakness. We kind of have a weakness for GameStop. Huge pump, then huge reversal down. What a crazy roller coaster ride for Amazon. Okay, SoFi is ready to pump once again. SoFi is ready to pump once again over the $7.60. Wow, top is tested the $9.27 once again. We got double top warnings for top, double top. CJAT going back almost below the support. Double top for top. If we don't break, flush down, watch out. So we got double top. Once we break, we might have another continuation for top. Patience, Luis. Patience is getting ready. Top is getting ready. You have to be patient. It's getting really ready here for top. You don't have to run your laptop on the car or crash it. You just have a support and resistance. If we held over the $7.88, it's game on. So you don't have to crush anything or break anything. SoFi, we might break this level. Okay, so Tesla is getting hammered here. 2%. It's getting near the resistance zone. So let me just check. I will close my trade on Tesla with just 3%. Let me just check Tesla once again. Yeah, it's still looking good toward the 232. But I will just close it just in case. Amazon, yeah, Amazon looking good for a break. Still watching. Palantir getting near their breakout, the 1549. FRZA or Forza is about to break the support. Watch out, guys. We have accumulation over our support. If we broke it, is mean here. We're gonna go toward the $2.15. There is no in between. And this one is still holding over our support, the $6.79. Okay, so watch out. We have kind of hitting some wall here for TMBR. Hitting some wall. Yeah, we hitting some wall for TMBR. Okay, we broke the support for FRZA. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put some buy limit order FRZA and watch for a reversal from there. So this one broke the $2.54. As we said, here would be a reversal. So we got our reversal, but small one. Almost just 5%. Now we have to watch out for, let's say, the $2.18. Yeah, let's say $2.18. Or let's say 20. We put small position here, price $2.20, and put buy limit order for Forza. We'll watch for the price to drop. CJET, we're still holding our support. If we broke here, we could initiate buy limit order here around the $5.60, $5.50. Yeah, here should be a reversal zone. So now I'm watching still. I'm not gonna buy because we might have a flush, you know, from this support. This is the resistant or squeeze around the $7.80. So we got Forza already initiate buy limit order, and CJET we wait until the price break this support to initiate another buy limit order around this area of support. Top got rejected, that's why we didn't enter it, and we already discussed this support. We said we should hold it. We held it and reversed over the $7.88. So yeah, the idea is wait until the price come to us. This one is still accumulating, still fighting. It means there's still fight here. We'll leave it until we see who's gonna win this fight. If the short seller is me, the price will go down. If the buyers is me, the price will go up. Whoa, Amazon doing all right. Tricky Amazon. Yes, sir. Tricky Amazon. Anyway, yeah, the price is about to break now. Is about to break. Yeah, we broke Cheers, everybody. You know, we don't have a continuation today actually for many stocks. We have a pump, then the market went down. But yeah, this is kind of the scenario. Not every time we have a continuation for the market. You see, this one was pumping in pre-market, market open, accumulated, flush down. CJET, pre-market opened, got rejected, flush down. Top, market open, got rejected, flush down. So we got many stocks, the same reaction, pumped then dumped, and we don't have continuation yet. The idea is now watching for a reversal, watching for entry around the reversal. Okay, GameStop is still holding. This one still dropping. This one dropped. Yeah, top is have a double top, and that's why we're going down. Let me just check this stock. 150%. Yeah, looking good. Yeah, looking good for entry right now. Looking juicy, but let me just check if we got some profit here. Wow, this one could actually run. Okay, we got rejected. Where we gonna go for this one? Yeah, flush maybe. 45 is a resistant. Let's see a flush. We need a pullback for this madness. Almost 100%. Let's see if we got a pullback. Yeah, we got first support here, 38. If we don't hold it, we're gonna have a flush, guys, toward the 27. Watch out. Pullback time. Guys, press the like button and the way in. We always do our live streaming daily before the market open. Okay, we watching this one. We might have a runner, guys, for this stock. We might have a runner, but we got a resistant here. We have to break around the 45. Otherwise, I will wait for a pullback here, 32 and 27. What's the CXI doing? Interesting question. CXAI, yeah, is doing kind of alright. We did 16% just because we hit kind of an important technical support around the $9.28. That's why we have some kind of reversal. But the squeeze is a bit far. It's around the $17. But looking good actually. CXAI have a bounce there, so looking good. Thank you for remind us about this, because we could make it down with the other stock that dropped by. Okay, I will put it here next to IMGN and GameStop. You see that GameStop looking pretty nice for today. Preparation for Wednesday earnings. What a mixed signal for WLDS. We have a pump when the market open, now a dump down. Mixed signals. Expecting a huge flush for this one. SEV, watch out guys, huge flush down here. We got kind of triple top here. It's kind of weakness, and the price is kind of overextended over 120. So first time short came in heavily around the 45, dropped the price. Bulls try to pump once again, short come in. Now there's a fight if we dropped from the 39, we're gonna have a flush. Yeah, even for SoFi, yeah, we have mixed signals, but in big picture looking still good. NCMI looking good. We'll check it. $32. Yes, John, looking really nice. Thank you for bringing this up. Yeah, looking pretty nice. Let me just bring a support there. We already got our breakout, I think, today. I think we got the breakout just before the market open. So we almost hit the first profit taken around the 41, second profit taken 56 and 86. So yeah, NCMI looking pretty nice for today hunt. Watch out, looking pretty nice, NCMI. Wow, what a crazy pump. We held actually the 38. What a tricky bastard. SEV, man, it tricked us. I was waiting for a drop. We got reversal, guys. Warnings, reversal. The bulls actually won, kind of, but still we have a resistance. This would be crazy if we tested and got rejected once again. This time if we get rejected, we're gonna have a drop. 90% chance, huge drop. Around the 45, this is it. If we broke, we're gonna go toward the 53. Let me close this position. A test. SEV, a test and rejection once again. What a crazy day, man. GameStop start to reverse. SoFi, some of you ask about stop loss. So we have a support around the 7, so holding over the 7 would be good. You know, so this level should be protected. You see what's happened here? So we don't want to have any breakout from this ascending channel around this area. It will be a weakness. Or below the $7, yeah. If we broke and hold below here, like 5-minute candle below this ascending channel, is the stop loss for us below the $7. As long as we hold here, is mean we're gonna have a reversal. GameStop, wow, it's going toward the 27. FRZA, we're still looking for a continuation down. SEV, again, rejection. And as we said, this time we might have a flush. The short added some more here. So this time we might have a flush if we broke the 38, flush down, guys. 32, 27 should be a reversal. So now it's risky to enter because the price is still didn't have a clear indication for a breakout from the 45. 45 hidden seller. 45. And this is a good shorting opportunity actually. We could enter here and stop loss, let's say around the 46. This will be a 10% drop or loss if you want to short it, of course. Because if you want to short below the 38, you have more confirmation for short, but the price might flush and you lose the chance of entering early. But this is the way, you know, if you enter early, you have less confirmation and you might get stopped out with this buying pressure. Okay, so we might see a pump now. Let me just try to initiate a trade here. If we broke this time, SEV is about to break. Come on, what's gonna happen? SEV 158% up. Okay, we might have a break, guys. A break, a break. Come on. Oh, that tricky stock, man. CXAI 23% today, still jumping. Another try now. Let's have a 1 minute candle close here for a push. Otherwise a flush down. Amazon, Amazon, Amazon. Still trying. As we said, we might have the 130 for Amazon for today. Would be a great day for Amazon. GameStop, GameStop. Game on if we have a new high toward the 25.60. Yeah, as we said, the target for this week at least to test the 27.44. Okay, we're about to break. SEV is about to break. Now or never. Oh man, still, what a crazy stock. not ready yet. Guys, press the like button and the way in. Yes, we have kind of mixed signals for today. Mixed signals for today, Monday. Low volume for this one, MVLA. Maybe not today. Vero Farmer, I don't know if you're still watching our live streaming, brother. He said the boil should be the one we should watch for today, but I think we didn't have any action for it. Yeah, no action. No action. Slow day for boil, that's why we're not watching it for today. And yeah, we have resistance. We met with the resistance here. So this one looks tricky now. Still didn't trigger this trade. I'm still watching because we didn't have a still break. We got test, resistant, test, resistant. Come on, do something. Either break or just flush down so we could actually enter down here. I don't like the action in between because here we don't have a confirmation. Here, if you want to gamble, you buy here. Or if you want to buy before the squeeze, because usually when we have the squeeze we have FOMO and the price will pump and you enter there. Your entry will be really bad. You have to be really fast, you know, because usually there's a lot of momentum traders and this is the competition here. They could initiate thousands of trades in milliseconds because their server is near the Nasdaq and they have more advantage than us. So it's not wise to compete with those crazy guys. John, okay, good. So you found the solution? This is good. Hopefully the solution was simple. Carney, Amazon is still looking good. Amazon is still looking good for swing. Yeah, Amazon looking good. So yeah, Amazon guys looking good. You see what's happened here? We have a fake out here. Price actually pumped down, but as we said, this box should be a reversal zone. So we reverse and now we pumping. And now you know what's gonna happen. The smaller picture, we have kind of a breakout here. So just take this out and that out. So you see clearly that we have the room to go toward the 130. So this is the first profit taken. Amazon could actually really run. We already did the chart analysis update here on our swing trade. You see, we always do trade and swing trade and day trade. Okay, so boom, Amazon looking good as we said. Let me just go back and check the other stocks. We got Game of Thrones or GameStop. try to break the 25.50. Yes, guys, we almost 100 likes. Let's hit the 100 likes, guys. We're getting near. Amazon is really good to buy, guys. It's really good to buy. As we said, the earnings looking good. Everything's looking good. Now it's pumping. We have its support over the 123, 122. So swing trade toward the 130. Straightforward trade, guys. This one is looking good because after the good earning for Amazon, as we said, Amazon is looking what's called undervalued, because you see in big picture Amazon is just reversed from the bottom, and we have room to really go high. At least, yeah, the all-time high was around almost 200. So if we did good and the good earnings, the next good earnings is good, we might have the 200 for this year. So there's room to grow for Amazon as long as we hold the current support. Yeah, looking good. But we have to be patient, guys. For this one, take time. Take time to do 4%, take time to do 10%. So this is Amazon. It's slow. Oh man, what a crazy bot trading. Okay, now we might have a pump for SEV. Yeah, maybe now we have a pump. Let's see. Yes, we have kind of breakout for SEV, guys. Let's see a continuation. Okay, let's see a continuation here. We need a pump. The longer that we stay here, it will be not good trade. 171, 47, 48. Great. Okay, we're ready to enter for this trade. We try to take a profit around the 50. Before the 50 cent, we might have a rejection, but I see the 53 as a resistance zone. Guys, press the like button on the way on. We always do our live streaming before the market open each day. So if you're not a hunter, be a hunter. Subscribe. If you want more, you can follow us on our Discord and Patreon. Let's go. SEV, guys. SEV, mean business. SEV to the moon. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And again, as we said, if you want to follow us, you can follow us here. If you want short analysis update before the market open or after the market open or after our live streaming end, you can actually book your place on our Patreon. Here on membership, you can have so many levels to choose from: Discipline Hunter, King, and this Elite Hunter, if you want to have one-on-one meeting with me. So yeah, the link in the chat section, guys. Now we watching SEV. We already entered and we have 3% profit on this trade. Let's see a continuation toward the 53, guys, for this one. And we have some kind of pattern here. You see here, we have a good pattern to hold. If we want to continue, we need to hold this pattern. toward the 53 guys. SAV getting near the 200% profit. FRZA start to reverse. FRZA started to reverse. CGET or CJET is going down. Yeah, I'm watching for the $5.50 for this one. So if I start to reverse, CXAI, yeah, still holding. AI is pumping, guys. AI started to pump. As we said, we entered near this bottom for AI because it looked good. Now it's pumping, and this one is broke out from the 45. We watching for the 53. Yeah, the 53 should be a good squeeze. AI already entered around the 33 with small position, so this is a good entry because we are near a support, as we said. And SAV, we're getting near the 53. 53 should be a profit, as we said, and this is our support here. So if we held this area, we're gonna have a continuation on pump. Guys, press the like button. Let's go. We almost 100 likes. Why is kind of hard to hit the 100? It's 84 now. Yes, SEV guys, it's pumping. SEV have a struggle around the 50 cents. Have a bit of struggle around the 50. If we broke the 50, we're gonna go toward the 53. Yeah. SEV. By the way, guys, if you want free stocks, you can join Momo and get 15 free stocks with my special link down below. Okay, SAV guys, boom, SAV, come on, it's pumping. SAV, it's about to pump, guys. Wow, SAV guys, it's pumping. Still holding. SAV, look, we're still holding with 8% profit on this one. We get ready to take profit around the 53 guys. 53 should be a profit taken for us. Come on, SAV. As we said, guys, you can win 15 free stocks. You can win Tesla, Google, and many stocks. And you just deposit 100 in order to win those stocks. And even I think if you open just an account and deposit whatever price you have, even $1, you can win one stock. The more you deposit, the more that you actually win those stocks. You see here we have Apple. You can win one share of Apple is almost 200. We have Fuel Energy. We got Tesla. So yeah, use this opportunity. The link in comment section. And in the live chat section as well. I will put it here for you guys to get your free stocks. By the way, let's go to our profit taking. Let's take profit. It's time to take profit on SEV because the price getting almost 10% on this trade, and we getting near a rejection zone. So we get ready to take profit here, guys. Is dangerous. Yeah, we exit because it's dangerous. As we said, price will pump down. So yeah, we have a bit of profit now. We exit from this trade for this pullback. And for AI is still holding. So this one I'm not closing it because it looks still good. And SAV still looking good for continuation as long as we hold here. Okay. If we broke, it means a sell-off and going toward the 38 once again. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. But we exit with small profit on this one. Not bad. Not bad for trade. Guys, plus the like button and the way in. We always do our hunt before the market open. So in order to watch our live streaming, just subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our live streaming next time and you get notified when we do. This is the only way to be prepared before the market open. Good hand, John Friedman. Yeah, see, SAV guys, flush, not good, broke the trend. That's why we exited. Yeah, that's why we exited from SAV, and we're still holding AI. And Tesla, we closed this trade as well. And Amazon, we're still holding Amazon as well because it's swing trade, guys, swing trade. For Amazon, we are up almost 5%. So we're still holding Amazon as a swing. SAV is overextended, that's why we're pulling back. Okay, FRZA, CJET, top is pulling back, but it's still holding. Top is still holding the 7.88. Not bad. Yeah, Amazon $1 now, or 1%, not $1. Great reversal. Some huge whale bought this dip, guys, when the market open. Huge dip, not huge, but kind of surprising dip when the market open, or before the market open. Yeah, around the market open. Good hunt, IFER, Ever. 40%. Great hunt, brother. Vero Farmer, thank you, brother. You always do this. You log in and log off in order to make 2 likes. Appreciate the effort, brother. Really appreciate it. That's why we are 90 likes right now. We almost hit the 100 likes. Look, guys, we almost hit the 100 likes. Thank you for the support, everybody. Thank you for the support. Wow, top is still pumping from the bottom. Still pumping from the bottom. So watch out, guys. $9.30 should be the breakout zone for today for top. Wait a second. I think you can win Amazon as well here. Yes, you can win Amazon. So on Momo, guys, if you not like trading on Momo, so if you want to trade on Momo and you want to do swing trade, would be a really good idea to buy it on Momo. If you don't have a brokerage account, you can open on Momo and just deposit, like, let's say 1,000. So would be a really good idea. You know why? Because here you can win any stock. However, if you just deposit at Momo and you open an account, you can actually swing trade Amazon. So you could actually win free stock of Amazon. At the same time, you swing trade it. So it's a win-win situation, you know. And the $100 or 1,000 is not going anywhere because you invested in Amazon. At the same time, you could actually win a free share of Amazon, and this would be a win-win. It's like you could actually you have a good start in this trade because you would be up almost $125 because this is the share of Amazon that you can win here on Momo. As we said, the link, I just put it on the chat section and in comment section as well if you want to use Momo. SoFi MVLA, man, MVLA is still low on volume for today. SoFi is still holding the support. FRZA have kind of mixed signals for us because we didn't go to the second support. Yeah, we kind of reversed in the midway. So for FRZA, we have a resistance there, so I'm not entering until we break this level of resistance. We got some profit after we break this resistance around the $3.16, $3.54. But now I'm not entering because we might have this pullback until the $2.15. I'm watching. Top, what a crazy, man, reaction. We have double top, price went down, then pump once again. So yeah, for top as well, I'm not entering until break this level. SEV testing the resistance from below. It was the support, yeah, the 45. Yeah, mixed signals as well for SEV. AI looking good, GameStop looking good, SoFi we have to go in big picture to see it clearly what's going on. Yeah, it's pulled back, but in big picture look really good. Look at this, and there's a hidden seller every time SoFi pump. We have a huge seller. You see here, huge seller here, huge seller there, seller there, seller there. So this is normal. Reverse split, Destiny. Most of the case when you see 800%, 1000%, 10% is mean reverse split. Like 99% of the chance is reverse split. If 300, 200, yeah, this is normal. We might have stocks jump like in pre-market. But past the 500, 800 is kind of not normal. And it's me offering or reverse split. Something's not good and not usual. And of course, it's not a profit, you know, this 800% is not profit, it's just reverse split. So even if you have price or shares or trade open before the 800% jump, you can see that your portfolio not up or down, is like the same as the close before. So don't be surprised. Guys, we almost 100. You know what's happened here? We got just 3 people. We're missing 3 people, guys. Just 3 people to hit the 100. 3 people to hit the 100 likes. Come on, guys. Let's hit the 100 likes for today. As we said, SEV not good. We broke the trend. You see what happened here? Continuation down. So this one we already closed with a small profit before this huge selling pressure, or after the selling pressure. We exit from this risky trade. FRZ, as we said, the $2.79 is a resistant. I'm not entering because the price could pull back around the $2.15 for a power hour. And we might do a chart analysis update for this one, SEV, TOB, and the other stocks if broke their support or resistance here around our Discord, guys. Because we always do day trade chart analysis after we finish our live streaming. Swing trade as well if we have swing trade like we did for Amazon, Nvidia, DKNG, Upstart. So stay tuned for those updates, and even here on our Patreon, because we always update you guys in pre-market and after the market close, or after the live streaming finish, we do chart analysis update here. Boom. Let me just check what's going on. Gem. It's good, guys. Sometimes not trading is trading as well, you know. Be patient, and if you don't feel that it's good day for trade, don't trade. Yeah, TOB is about to do something drastic. TOB is about to do something drastic, man. Look at this. Yeah, it's about to break right now the $9.29. We held perfectly over this support. Yeah, looking good. TOB looking good. Okay. Let me just check if we have a question here. Okay, guys, we have to call it for today because we kind of have pulled back time for many stocks. The volatility is kind of down for the top stocks that we're watching. And yeah, TOB is still below the resistance. TMPR going still down. SoFi is holding. GameStop. GameStop is pumping, guys. Have a new high. This is good for GameStop. However, the other stocks is kind of in consolidation zone downstairs. So now, you know what time it is? Yeah, we have to take time off. Go back later on to do update chart analysis and video around our YouTube around 8 p.m. CET. And of course, tomorrow, as usual, pre-market update here on our Patreon and Discord before the market open to prepare for the market. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the live comment section down below and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next update.